welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Alicia, and
Sweet channel.
yes, and today we have Whataburger food. We got some fries, we got some
Chicken nuggets,
chicken strips and chicken nuggets. We got some ranch with it. We got a cookie, and of course we got a drink.
Yep.
So let's just get started.
Yeah.
And
then guys, if you want to watch more on our channel,
if you guys
have big thumbs up.
Yeah, and if you want to watch more things, give us a big like and also subscribe. Comment down below what you want to know about us and give us some inspiration on what we should do. So I'm gonna start with this. If you watch this, it might be a little spoiler. So this is some videos we might do in Utah. If you watch our other videos, it tells you about we're going to go to Utah, but we're going to make slime. We are going to try to do a lot more things. This is probably the best one. Our cousins are probably going to do our makeup. So yeah.
Let's eat. Where's Cassie? Oh. Do you have a bone in there? Oh.
If you hear my dad or my mom or my brother crying, sorry. No, okay. We might show you this on camera.
Cookie.
Let's eat a cookie.
Cookie.
You're probably thinking you're so annoying. I know. I'm really annoying sometimes.
I am.
But guess what, guys? How many days we're going to go to Utah? 7 more days. I don't remember the date, but we're going to go to Utah on the 19th.
19? That's so late.
July 19th.
19? Oh.
It's really good. Oh, sorry if we didn't show you a close-up look, but this is my little bite you got there.
Here's my chicken.
I don't know what's fully... Do you guys see this? She saves you guys a little part to look at. We're also going to... You're creepy. Don't do that. That's nasty. I don't remember if I said this, but we're going to stay there for 10 days. I'm really excited. You just scoot over. It is super good.
Super yummy in my tummy.
And this is a kid's meal, and look at how big this ranch is.
Yeah, it's humongous.
Why is it so huge, guys? I'm just wondering, you know. I like a lot of ranch, so. It's so good.
That's
Also,
again, right on my nose.
in all our videos, we
So
have all of these.
pictures.
We're going to try to fill up the whole wall to show you guys all the pictures. Her, my dad, me, my mom, color. I'm really excited.
Umbrella.
I'm going to try to... Whoa. This is so huge. It looks a little weird. Looks like a weird shaped. Yeah, we also got some fries, as I said earlier.
I want some mukbang.
Oh, also, check out our other mukbang videos. We also made a makeup one where big sister does little sister makeup. I'm gonna have a drink. If you guys are wondering, it's Sprite. We always have Sprite.
And Diet Coke.
And I don't like Diet Coke, so
I like Diet Coke.
She likes Diet Coke.
Diet.
It's funny.
Die?
Huh? I didn't say that.
Okay, it's a Diet Coke.
This is super good.
This
but also
tastes weird.
when we go to Utah, it might be fun because we're going to do a lemonade stand.
Look how chicken this.
We're going to do a lemonade stand, boys versus girls.
I got
It's perfect because there's 3 boys and 3 girls.
Really big.
Me, my sister, my cousin, my other 3 cousins. So, yeah. Don't forget about the fries, people.
Excuse me.
Also, we might do a vlog, might, not sure. Comment down below what you want us to do.
This
is so good.
super good.
I live for this merch. This is so good.
Wow, tell me about this so good.
You know, guys, I love watching those videos with ASMR mukbang. It's such, like, I don't watch all the time, but this one girl, she did so good. Like, she made it super loud, so the point you can hear the crunch.
Okay.
This is... Stop. Oh, you're loud.
Okay, chicken.
This is so good. We might... We'll show you our cousins in Utah. Because of the video. Stop. You're nasty. No, 2. Yeah, kind of big.
That is actually big.
I'm going to try to talk about my school.
Started?
So,
You decided.
no.
Yeah.
When I was in kindergarten, I kind of got bullied. Not like pushed around, but this guy, he kind of made fun of me because I was fat. I wasn't really fat, but I was chubby.
Guys, look at my big chicken.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna end it right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please please give this a like. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Oh my anger.
Comment down below if you want to know anything about us, and also give us some inspiration. Subscribe. Thanks for watching, and
Bye.
Bye.